everyone, my name is Vedran, I'm here from the nation, and today we will be playing Stardew Valley. We'll be doing some good old hoes. Hoe? What the fuck, hoe? We'll be using the hoe to... We'll be farming in the new update. Proud of you. Thank you, Javi. I'm proud of myself as well. And we got a new friend called Kei Akezawa. Hello. Hello.
My stream will be very scrubbed. Oh no.
Welcome to the club. Do I look like freaking PewDiePie to you?
You do kind of look like one.
Could introduce yourself to my stream as well, if you could.
Hello everyone, my name is Prince Kei Akizawa. You can call me Kei. And I am a spirit VTuber from Twitch.
Oh shit, I kinda sound like a robot on K's stream. That ain't good. Wait, you're not a robot? Usually no, some days yes. Although my house looks better than yours. This is actually my favorite, like, house design. Like this one, with like the cyan roof.
Did you just say your house is better than mine?
Yes.
How dare you?
It's facts.
Okay, why does your character look like Squidward? Are you blind? How come I look like Squidward?
Offer passing to K? No, I'm not giving K anything. Why would I give K any of my things?
You have a command for K.
What,
Charlie
like?
Spirit VTuber with hunger for Genshin. Oh yeah?
Chigaimasu.
Hunger.
Chigaimasen.
Tiga.
Yeah. Chigaimasen. Why?
I'll
What?
sleep with you.
What is this? No, get out of my bed.
Oi! Let's sleep together.
I don't want to.
Don't wanna
What
sleep
is this
with
affection?
me? Sleep with me.
She wants to sleep with me. What the hell is going on? You can have her, don't worry.
Yeah.
What? How
Good
did you get in here?
morning.
What? When did you get in here? I'm gonna go to the
The
shit.
beach.
Yeah, where them bitches be.
I don't put the chat. 'Cause I'm too lazy.
Do you also watch me sleep, Rudy?
Oh, look. I have fish. I got them from the trash.
Why are you digging for trash, cave?
Oh,
What the fuck, man?
why not?
If you're gonna look through the trash, you just might find me.
Are?
Are? What's...
Are?
Wait, real quick, let me go refill water.
Vedran. Veddy! Man. He left K. How dare he?
What did I miss? What such things did she say while I was gone?
Nothing. I was entertaining her chat.
She said you left her. Yeah, I left her at the altar when she proposed me. No, fucking crow. Fuck off, bitch.
Oh,
It
no.
ate our seeds. Because we don't have a... Because we don't have a scarecrow.
I didn't see the caca. Can I fish here?
Yes, you can, but you will never catch anything. You will only catch trash. Fish? You actually
Oh,
gonna
yeah.
fish? You got this. And of course I got a trash. What do we find at the broken CD? Twitch.tv/K.
Almost there. Quick. Yeah.
Those are the most intense fishing noises I've heard. Anything K does is intense. And perfection.
Yummy.
How's it going?
Sardine.
It's Chad Nation here. How y'all doing? You like my muscles?
My hoe. Hey, hoe.
you say I got a hoe?
I got a hoe.
I got two hoes.
So bug meat.
Yeah.
Bug meat.
Is it bugging you? Yeah, what is it? Hey, bless you. Also, that was the most adorable sneeze I ever heard. I'm gonna save that for later.
Run from Betty.
Also, I find it hilarious the way
something.
you call me Veddy. That you're the only one who calls me like that. Everyone else just calls me Vedran.
Betty.
Yeah, you're the only one who calls me Veddy.
Sounds cute.
I can't unsee Squidward now. You literally look like Squidward. Just imagine Squidward making those sounds. That's the most cursed shit. Let me give you a challenge. Try talking, but like put nya at the end of every sentence.
Anya. Nande niya.
There we go.
Nande.
Cause why not?
Hidoy niya.
Hidoku nai. Kawaii desu. Kawaii desu kara.
Kawaii janai niya.
Kawaii desu. Kawaii desu kara hidoku nai yo.
Nyo.
Yes.
I'm in the bush niya.
Really? Or the bush? Have you ascended into bushdom?
I'm putting all my anger in the bush niya.
of the anger that Vedran has caused you.
Yeah, Penny. He's pretty. Got them big boobas. Okay, you're a grandpa? Fuck you.
Grandpa?
Yeah. I have dick.
What's the issue though?
Like,
Like, no. Yeah, it's like you're up.
It used to be really fast. I can stream Genshin properly. It's all gone.
Everything was fine in Aki's coffee bar until one day the Router Nation attacked.
The Toaster Nation.
Yeah. No, don't destroy those!
I'm sorry.
You are not forgiven. I am sorry, Kay. We're no longer friends. I'm ending this collab right now.
Alright. Thank you everyone for hanging out with Kay today. I'm gonna be ending the stream now.
Yeah. Thank you everyone for coming. We'll be going now.
Look for someone to raid.
Exactly.
I know, right? Vedran's so savage. Can't even forgive Decay. Imagine. Someone asking him at chat if we are in call.
No. We're sending letters. You know, this is like I write a letter every time I want to say, dear Kay, I would like you to water the fields. Sincerely, Vedran.
Dear Vedran, moaning noises.
Yeah.
Sincerely yours, Kay. I adopt the cat, and I will name it Betty.
Oh. No.
Well, little Betty, you be a good kitty now, okay?
There are two Vedrans in the stream now. The cool one and the sleepy one.
You think you're cool?
Yes, I have shades. I got drip.
If I am an animal, what kind of animal will Kay be?
I guess a cat, cause you like hanging out with people. You're kind of cute as well. You make those hilarious noises as well. Cats make funny noises.
For me, you're a hamster. Hamsters are cool, and they eat babies for fun.
When did I eat babies?
Yeah. Well, I have a feeling that if you're an animal, you'd be a hamster and you'll be eating your babies for fun. I'm watching your stream and you have really nice neck. That's a compliment.
That's as far as I can pull it out. I have university starting this week, so...
Imagine going to university, imagine studying. Good for you.
Why you gotta do me like this?
I'm sorry.
You are not forgiven. Again, third time you have offended me this stream. I am so offended.
别人怎么ごめんなさい。ベリちゃま。ベリちゃまごめんね。ごめんにゃ。
Oh wow, okay. I'm joking.
ごめんにゃ。ごめんにゃ
Now you're putting the nya back in.
さい。ごめんにゃさい。
Say goodbye to YouTube.
Goodbye.
Thank you very much for watching this video or like live stream, whatever the hell you came from. Make sure you check out Kay right here because she's a really cool lad. You can go check out her stream. She's really fun and kind. I made this animation just so you click the bell. So click it so that next time I go live, you'll get notified. YouTube's gonna be like, hey, this guy, he's live. Vedran, you know, go check him out. So do that. And yeah, thank you very much for watching it. Check out Kay, and we'll see you later in the next video or live stream, whatever the hell it came from. Doesn't matter. Bye bye!